discuss on how to graph linear equations using slope and y-intercept. Okay, let's recall that the slope-intercept form of a linear equation is in the form y equals mx plus b. So, let's have an example. Okay, graph. You have our 4x plus 5y equals 20. So, this equation is in standard form. So we need to rewrite this into slope-intercept form so that you could identify the slope and the y-intercept. Okay? So let's begin. So from 4x plus 5y equals 20, so we need to transpose 4x. That becomes negative 4x plus 20. And then we divide each term by 5 to get y. Okay, so y equals negative 4/5 x plus 4. Okay, so negative 4/5 class, that is your slope. And then your 4 is the b for the y-intercept. So you have your y-intercept would be 0, 0, 4. Okay. So now we're going to start with the y-intercept, which is 0, 4. Okay, 0, 4. This is 0, 4. And then you execute the slope, which is negative 4/5. So if you have negative 4, that means that's the rise. So I mean to say that's 4 steps or 4 units downward. Okay, let's do that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. And then 5/5, that's the run. That's positive. So I mean to say you need to run 5 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So meaning the next point would be 5, 0. And then connect the 2 points. Okay, so meaning this is the graph of 4x plus 5y equals 20. So again, you need to graph first or plot the point the y-intercept, and then you execute the slope to get another point. And then if you have 2 points already, so you connect the 2 points and then you make a line. That's the graph of the linear equations. 2x plus 3y equals 18 using slope and y-intercept. So first, you transform this or rewrite this into slope-intercept form. So you have there, so you need to transpose 2x rather, so that becomes negative 2x plus 18. Afterwards, to get to y, you divide each term by 3. So negative 2x by 3 plus 18 divide 3. So meaning you have y. So you have negative 2/3 x. 18 divided by 3, that is 6. So meaning your slope here is negative 2/3. Y, your b is 6. Meaning your y-intercept is 0, 6. So, as I said, you plot first your 0, 6. Since k class is the tip, so we consider that 0, 6. 0, 6. And then from that, you execute the slope, negative 2/3. So I'm going to say 2 downwards. 1, 2, 3. Let's run 3. It's 3 to the right. 1, 2, 3. Actually, class, you can still do that. It's actually 3, 4. You can continue. Since you are running out of space here, so you can still do the slope. You can execute. 2 downwards. 1, 2. And then 3 run. So 3 to the right. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So another point. That is 6, 2. And then you can connect them. The three of them. Because you have no perfect class. Okay, I will just... Okay, so this is the graph of 2x plus 3y equals 18. Okay, that's it. Example, still we're going to use slope and y-intercept. So the same thing, you need to express each into y's slope-intercept form. So you have there negative 3y transpose 2x, it becomes negative 2x plus 6. So negative 3y equals, so you need to divide each by negative 3. So negative 2x divide negative 3 plus 6 divided by negative 3. So y is negative divided by negative is positive. So that becomes 2/3 x. 6 divided by negative 3, that's negative 2. Meaning your slope is 2/3 and your b is negative 2. So 0b, that's the y-intercept. So 0, negative 2. Okay, let's do that. Start with 0, negative 2. And then perform the slope. 2/3. 2 for the rise. So we need to say 2 units upward. So let's do that. 1, 2. And then 3. 3 units to the right. 1, 2, 3. So let's stop. So meaning this is 3, 0. And then connect. This is not very perfect. Okay, so that's really the graph. Please class, you use ruler to have a perfect line. Me is you cannot use ruler here. So 2x minus 3y equals 6. That's the graph. So to summarize, so first you need to express the equation or see to it is expressed into slope-intercept form. And then you identify your slope and your y-intercept. And then first plot your y-intercept, and then you execute the slope to find another point. And then you connect the 2 points and make a line. And then that's it. Okay, thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel for more videos, for more video lessons to come. God bless.